Introducing, I'm Sugar Candy, and I'm an Antiguan. Whenever I'm in Antigua, it's just like in paradise. It's the remix Rhythm King, original Sugar Candy.
We know that, man. And then the bun, they take the time and big.
See any more you do, man. Introduce yourself now.
Me?
Yeah, man.
Me from the village and call me Joe Bob.
Which village?
You Winthrope's band then.
See.
Yeah, man, you Winthrope.
That is it,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Tell them we love about you Winthrope from my father.
Are the best village in Antigua.
Why with them, my father?
Blizzard.
Humble.
No, the blessed village in the Caribbean.
Yes, in the whole Caribbean, man.
Whole Caribbean.
North side, one side.
True. North
Left
side.
side, talk up on the grill. And all there.
A third one, you go?
Stay focused. One goal.
That is it.
Peace and love every time.
Welcome forward to the channel, 1_distances. If you are here for the first time, warm welcome to you. Like, share, subscribe, and don't afraid to comment in the comment section. You see it? If you are a returning viewer, a returning subscriber, you don't know you are part of the Constellation family. You get me? I know all subscribers are part of the Constellation family. You see me I say? So just big up yourself. You see me? We're outside in a new community today, people. A community called New Winthropes. You see me I say? Yeah, man. So just go and stay tuned. Go and watch the video to the end and see what go on. You see? Remember now, you know, people. Go and check out Roadstar brand new single, Friends, on all digital platform. You see it? Yeah, man. Friends, Roadstar. You see it? Brand new single. You see me I say? Yeah, man. I know it's all about the music also. You see it? I know we're a musician. You see me, people? So just go and check out Roadstar Music on all digital platform. You see me? We have a new single just released named Friends. You see it? So I ask you guys for us to do the right thing and just give me that strength there, yeah? Yeah, man, and stay tuned and watch the video to the end. See? We're outside. Like what? Solar panel. And we're up like what? Water vapor. You see it? So you don't know enough people. 1_distances is the channel. And we're outside in a way. We're Dudley Antigua, you see me? So tell a friend for tell a friend. Like, share and subscribe. And press the thumbs up. You hear that? Yeah, man. Big up on your damn self. You hear that? Watch the video to the end. We're outside. Yes, people. There, you know. Yeah, man, we're in a community called New Winthrope. You see? I walk and see what can go on, isn't it? See if them shy or what. Or if them are going to express themselves and tell you about them community, you understand? Big man, can I talk to you for a minute? Can I talk to you for a minute? Alright, people. The first shy guy, isn't it? Oh yeah. I'll go on, yes. Let's see, I go on my father.
No, let go.
Are you that?
Yes, my father.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, no, that's the New Winthropes.
True.
As the master man say, positivity. North side, one side.
True. North side.
Alongside Tuck Up on the Grill
Which
and our
is
there.
Which is right. So you ask my father where you going with?
Yeah, easy.
Which community? Tell them which community this
Doing
is.
chops, the best, you know. This is Tuck on the Grill.
Yeah.
We come and link us from Tuesday to Saturday.
You have to make them know what
Tuesday to
Tuck Up on the
Wednesday.
Grill are going with, you know. What Tuck Up on the Grill are going with.
Tuck on the Grill, good food, yeah, pasta, mac and cheese, chicken, barbecue chicken leg, goat water, seasoned rice.
So how the people then find Tuck Up on the Grill?
How them find Tuck on the Grill?
Yeah.
Well, you can WhatsApp us at 786-2321 and we drop our location in WhatsApp, or we are up the road from dusk till dawn. Yeah.
That is it. Big up yourself, you know.
Yeah, man.
And nobody up there want big up.
Well, big up to everybody, you know.
That is it.
Can't big up one person, have to big up everybody.
Which is right. Yeah, so now my father. Tell them which part with them, man.
Yeah, we did Tuck Up Grill in the New Winthrope.
Seeing. So
North
what unique about New Winthrope we love?
You know, we are one of the best. We have Bouncing Joseph.
Bouncing.
Bouncing Joseph, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Richie Richardson. All them man, you find Andy Roberts. One of the best bowlers in West Indies cricket.
True.
Now, one of the best chefs, she named Dolly. She live right here.
Yeah.
Dolly, say hi.
Miss Dolly,
Yeah.
big up yourself. You say a bad chef.
Yeah, man.
Proper way, man. I want to send a positive message out there to the young people, you know.
Just work hard for you want. Just work hard. Do your thing. Progress. Determination.
That is it, man.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself, yeah. I said, Joe, you know, send
Yeah.
a positive message out there, man.
You have to work hard. Achieve the goal. And yeah.
Big up yourself, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Massive. Send a positive message, Dada.
Yeah. Do what is right. Stay out the trouble. Work for what I want. The trouble nobody sub now, yeah? And work hard.
That is it. Okay. So big up here. Give thanks to your family. Yeah, man. Miss Dolly. You afraid? You shy? My channel. Yes, people outside, you see. And you winch up same way. You don't have to see nobody as yet. So go and look. See my brethren, yeah? Try, come talk to them, no man. Which community this way in a family, hold on. This way in a family.
New Winthrope.
Seeing,
Yes,
so.
yes.
Me know you're not from New Winthrope, so I'm not gonna ask you that still. But more I tell them what about New Winthrope we love.
The people nice.
True.
Yeah.
So, how long now since you reside in New Winthrope?
No, I don't reside in New Winthrope.
Oh, okay.
I just visiting.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna come out the road. I want to send a positive message now out there to the youth them.
Well, I would say what they need to do is to stay focused and remain humble and work hard.
That is
Yeah.
it. Respect, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Family. Yes, people, you see it. Still in a community, man. We have to who can buck up, you know. Everybody like them inside, you see me? We just still walk the ground, though. General, can talk to you upon this? The community, man. Alright. Man, them say Andy Roberts come from the community. Yeah. You guys can Google Andy Roberts if you're not familiar who is Andy Roberts, you know. Yeah, man, just go and Google Andy Andy Roberts. And as you see, you hear what the man said. As the man say, you know. So we just make our way, people. Yo, say something for me.
Wow, go on, people are good.
Which part with it? Tell them which part with it.
Blizzard, that is the thing.
Eh? This is a new Winthrope. I show the people, them a campaign people.
Globally, distances once again so far traveling. Iron chop on the map. Iron chop on the map. Iron chop on the map. Chop, 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 chop. 268 create wave. 268 create wave.
Send a positive message out there, you know.
All the youth them stay focused. One goal.
That is it.
Peace and love every time.
Every time.
Done
Big
with
up
the
your
war.
family, man, every time. Yeah, my family. I wish I with the father.
New Winthrope there right now. When I'm
So what about new Winthropes where the I love family?
the saddest thing around New Winthrope is I, you know, got the fire blaze on the house. So
Eh?
yeah, so much as we can say, you know.
Sure, no star. Sorry for you that star.
Yeah.
Sure, sure.
They look a little sympathy in the times by just natural help, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Without finance.
Yeah.
God bless me on the way, you know.
For real, man, for real. I'm sorry for you that my father, man. Yeah.
Introducing, I'm Sugar Candy, and I'm an Antiguan. Whenever I'm in Antigua, it's just like I'm in paradise. It's the remix Rhythm King, original Sugar Candy.
That is it.
Love, you know?
Up top. Yes, my general. Tell the people them you introduce yourself now.
Me?
Yeah, man.
Me from the village and call me Geographic.
Which village?
You Winthrope's Barnsley.
Same. So I want to ask you now, what about the community here, where unique than the other rest community them in Antigua?
In this village here,
Yeah.
I'll try to live together. Everybody try to come together and live together.
True.
Despite the differences that I may have one heart attack now and again
Yeah.
before the night out.
True.
Yeah.
Which part New Winthrope's located? On the
New
land?
Winthrope's, basically if you know the location from the airport, it's just west of the airport.
True.
Right? On the map, well, the old map does usually have New Winthrope alone.
Okay.
But now the new map, I see have Barnsley and New Winthrope. So
See.
Barnsley, you would have meet Barnsley before you reach a New Winthrope coming from the airport area, going towards maybe City Valley area,
Okay.
Fries Hill Road, them places there.
So Barnsley and New Winthrope are the same thing.
No. One difference there between.
So which part
Both
of Blizzard?
village.
Which part of
This,
Blizzard?
which part out there right now, they call Blizzard,
Oh,
which are New Winthrope, the nickname of Blizzard.
okay.
You
See.
check, some people get it mixed up and
Yes.
think of two different players.
True.
But Barnsley and New Winthrope. Barnsley are the one before, and New Winthrope will be the one after, which are Blizzard.
Okay.
Blizzard and New Winthrope are the same.
Alright.
Yeah.
Respect for that.
Because some people just get it mixed up and think of two different.
Me I tell
Yeah.
you. So I want to send a positive message now out there to the people, them, the young people, them, and everybody in my family.
Well, the youths and them need to just come together and be as one so they can be strong.
That is
You
it.
check? Because the stronger you be, the better for you. and to move together as one are the strongest way you can be.
That is it, man.
You check?
Manners and respect.
And just put down the violence. Not to say that you shouldn't defend yourself, but yeah, violence shouldn't be the first resort.
True.
You know what I mean?
That is it, man.
Alright.
Positive vibration,
Yeah.
God, man.
Yeah.
Big up yourself. Yeah,
Right,
give
right.
thanks.
Yes, I.
Yes, people. Still outside, still a walk, you see it? You still tune into the channel. Yeah, man, and some know you're a faithful subscriber, you know, you hear that? Give thanks for the strength here, people. Yeah, man, as me I say, I have a brand new single just released. So I want you guys to go and check it out on all digital platforms, you see it? A song called Friends. You see me? A song titled Friends. See? So you guys go out there and support the movement. See that, people? 1_distances. That's the YouTube channel. And you go up on the social or the digital platform them and put in Roadstar. You see me, and listen to music, friends. You hear that? Opa. Outside, people. Which part with them, my father?
Blizzard.
Humbug.
No, the blessed village in the Caribbean.
Rest in the whole Caribbean,
the
man.
whole Caribbean.
Why you say so?
Because we out of sight, out of might.
True.
Peaceful.
True. So you're any sportsman come from Blizzard we know about?
Yeah, bouncing. You have what the one the ups in him? The fisherman wherever he name Andy Roberts. Them man they come from around. Yeah, Shani Hector, she live in another house there. One of the big West Indies woman cricketer. Yeah.
What's your name?
Shani Hector.
Same.
Artist Greg Musclehead. May have to know about that. Muscle.
Sharp muscle.
Sharp muscle.
Same, yeah. Where him they now?
Muscle down in yard also, man.
Same, yeah, man. Call him, man. Make a advice.
Muscle. You know, I'm on the internet on my phone.
Same. Yeah, man. So what are your family?
Dumpling. Me go by dumpling. You don't know.
When you send a positive message out there now.
Like what? Like we want to the youth and to everybody. Well, just work hard and believe and keep focus.
That is it,
check?
man.
That's all we be. Don't bow to no man.
That is
you check for nothing where I want in the life. Just work and believe. And riches have to come.
True.
That's the dust we be.
I wish power there again, my family.
Blizzard.
Which part of Blizzard?
New Winthrope. They on the garrison. This is called Gaza. Right out of Gaza.
You hear that? You know Gaza.
Yeah,
You know me a Gaza man, dog.
Yeah, Gaza. Fully.
That is it, my father, man.
Amen.
What you say, family?
Yeah, family.
I go and talk to them, man.
That's a wash down guy, you know. Wash down guy. That
Say that, say something, man.
Big up the wash young guy from New Winthrope. You
That
know,
is it, that
positive
Gully.
gully side. Every time
All
you wash
the
down all the vehicle, take care of the people.
Give them a
One
number
love.
that means so they can find if they want the vehicle washed down.
722
722
0219.
0219.
You hear that, people?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So just link up and come get your car washed. You know,
Every
is
day,
it?
every day.
Every day, now.
$25 for every day.
Every time.
Every time.
That is it.
That's it.
Up top.
Up top, bless it.
Mother ass, man. Rasta, you don't say nothing. Send a positive message out there to the youth, them, man. Rastafari. Eh?
What the fuck you talk?
See.
I hash rum into this, yeah. Chase my rum pan.
Yo, father.
Yeah,
Big up yourself, right?
Yeah, every time.
Find the channel, yeah?
Wash down, fix car, do everything. Spray car, tint car. Yeah.
Everything.
Plow land.
Everything.
And sell goat, cattle, sheep, and plant food.
That is
have
it.
background.
Can't short or nothing out
Can't
there.
short enough. Yeah,
That is
that's all
it,
it. See a big fucking beach view over there. Look over so. Yeah, and the Twin Tower. North side, Twin Tower. That's the Twin Tower right there. You check?
Yeah.
Twin Tower. I have to show the Twin Tower. There we are. There mother squad. Twin Tower. I had the best view.
Twin Tower, you see it, the people? Alright, they out them at talk about, man. Yeah, man, big up the Gaza. You see it?
Every time.
Yeah, man, big up the man.
Blessed.
The family.
Blessed love.
Up top.
One love.
Big up your status, man. Everything good. Tell them I wish power with them, man. Tell them I wish power with them, man.
Blizzard, man, New Winthrope.
That is it,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Tell them we love about you, New Winthrope, no, my father.
And the
man.
best village in Antigua.
True.
Best village in Antigua. Remember tell that.
Why you say so?
You can leave your house open and go in Antigua and the house till the same.
A true, brother.
The best thing, me tell you.
A true, my talk.
Real talk, serious.
Alright.
Best village in Antigua.
Believe, man.
No crime, nothing happen on you easy, no boy.
A true, man.
And the people that done in the jail that come out, you know me? Outsiders.
There's no outside people come around here.
Yeah,
Talk
man.
to them again.
No, me tell you, any funny thing happen around here, there's no outside people.
The best village in
Real
Antigua,
talk.
man. Me tell you, best village, man. You can do anything in
You hear that, people? You hear that for yourself, you know. You know
Yeah,
them
man.
man, you not
Best
tell no lie, you know. You see it? Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man. Yeah.
man, every time.
When we put a galvanizer in the thing, the roof, and it slide. The galvanizer, the slide, and every finger. I think that this finger here, so cut out.
One galvanizer.
Yeah. Big, sir.
Come on, give me a can. Give me that one. So you say you're the can man in the community.
Yeah, man, the car man in the community. You have everything. Cook shop too.
Wow.
So,
So
you
you
don't-
go on.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Big up your status, man. Tell them you own, man.
Well, I'm Richie.
True.
God,
Richie. Yeah, top chef.
top chef.
Alright.
So,
And which community this?
New Winthrope.
Alright, then people. You see it? You see
Right
man
in
of
the playing field.
You see man of the sweet corn them, yeah? I buy one of them right now. Tell you where to go out with here.
It's a different price. So, who try one?
That's one full suit.
Sweet corn and everything.
Sweet corn, every man. Soft,
Man,
nice
Tagua.
corn.
Tagua, man. Soft and nice for you.
You have to eat it for everybody. You
Big up
don't know.
yourself, Richie. You go on. What's about the corn, father?
Can't stay one man.
True. Papa.
Fool ever touch
What's about the corn?
Can't name good man. When you're bad tonight.
True, man.
You know, man, when you come, you get everything.
That is it.
Napkin, we wipe them out and everything. You don't know.
Fully.
fully.
That is it. You're active and outside, my God, man.
Yeah, man.
That is it, man. Big up here.
Yeah, man. See.
Jenna.
So what I'm trying for me for my
A third one, you go?
Talk to me. Third one. So you see, sweet. Third one, sweet.
Sure, man.
Yeah, man. Every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Right, tell them your location.
New Winthrope by the playing field.
Can't miss you.
Can't miss it. Pass on the road, you find me.
Proper way, man.
Yeah.
Big up.
Yeah, man. And then the bun, they take the time and big.
See, you know what you do, man.
Yeah, man. So you don't
See,
know.
you see, he's a man who love the kitchen, you know, Richie.
Yeah, man. I have to love the kitchen.
That is it.
Yeah, man.
Holy man, outside, yeah?
Yeah, man.